Hi students, welcome to my channel Dr. Physics, and in this video we are going to solve problems in dimensionality. Okay, we'll see the first problem. They want to find the dimensionality of dimensional formula for first one distance. Now what is the dimensional formula for the distance? Distance is nothing but the actual length traveled by the body, that is simply the length. Therefore, the dimensionality of distance is nothing but L, that is length. For displacement, what is the dimensional formula? For displacement, the dimensional formula is nothing but displacement is also one type of length. The shortest distance between 2 points, there is nothing but the length. Therefore, dimensionality is L. For distance, what is the SI unit? Meter. For displacement, what is SI unit? That is also meter. If dimensional formula is same, then the SI units also must be same. Now, you will see another one, speed. Semi. What is dimensional formula for the speed? What is the speed formula? Speed is nothing but distance by time. Now, what is the dimensional formula for distance? It is length, that is L, and for time it is capital T. Therefore, it is L t power minus 1. What is the SI unit of speed? What is the SI unit of length? Meter. And what is the SI unit of time? That is nothing but second. Therefore, meter second power minus 1 is the SI unit of speed. Now, next one we will see about the velocity. What is velocity? You know it. What is the displacement by time? Now, what is the displacement? Displacement is also one type of length. That is nothing but the dimensional formula is L. Therefore, L by time. Therefore, what is that? L t power minus 1. Now, what is the SI unit of velocity? For length, meter. For time, it is second s power minus 1. That means, for speed, for velocity, the dimensional formula is same and the SI unit is also same. For distance, for displacement, the dimensional formula is same and the SI unit is same. That means, if the SI units are same, if the units are same, then those quantities, the dimensional formula is also same. Okay, now we'll see one more thing. Please remember these four. These are little bit basics. Now, what is acceleration? Acceleration is nothing but velocity by time. Now, what is velocity? Just now we have seen. What is this? For dimensional formula for velocity is, what is the dimensional formula for velocity? Length by time. And for what is the dimensional formula for time? It is time itself. Therefore, nothing but L by time square. Therefore, L t power minus 2. What is SI unit? For length, what is the unit? Meter. For time, it is second, s minus 2. Therefore, meter per second square is nothing but the SI unit of acceleration, that is the dimensionality is L t power minus 2. Okay. Please remember this. For acceleration, L t power minus 2. Okay. Okay, now they have to find the dimensional formula for force. What is force? Force is equal to mass into acceleration. For dimensional formula for mass is capital M. And for acceleration, just now we have seen, what is that? L t power minus 2. Therefore, ml t power minus 2 is nothing but the dimensional formula for force. The SI unit is, what is the SI unit? For mass, what is SI unit? Kg. For length, it is meter. And for time, it is second. Therefore, kg meter per minus 2 is nothing but the SI unit of force. That is nothing but I can call this one as a Newton. That is capital M. Therefore, the SI unit of force is Newton, and when it is represented in kg in SI units, that is kg meter s minus 2. From this, I can get the dimensionality, that is ml t power minus 2. Okay, now that we have to find the dimensional formula for work done. What is the work done formula? Force into displacement. If you don't know the formula, no need to worry, you will study in work power energy chapter. While you are covering all the chapters, you will cover all the formulas. Then you can solve it. For present, remember, work done is equal to force into displacement. What is the force? The dimensionality of force? ml t power minus 2. And what is the dimensionality of displacement? It is nothing but length. What is the dimensionality of work? L into L is L square t power minus 2. And it is nothing but, what is the SI unit of work done? It is nothing but joule, that is capital J. Okay, what is SI unit of energy? What is energy? Energy is nothing but work done only. The capacity to do work is nothing but energy. That means energy, and for work, the SI unit is same, that is joule. If SI unit is same, therefore the dimensional formula has to be same. Therefore, what is the dimensional form? Energy is nothing but work done. Work done dimensional formula is m L square T power minus 2. The SI unit of work done is joule, and the SI unit of energy is also joule. Therefore, the dimensional formula is same. Okay, now we'll see one more thing. Okay, now we'll see about the pressure. What is pressure? Pressure is nothing but force per unit area. You don't know, if you don't worry if you don't know the formula, you will come across all these formulas in later classes. If pressure is equal to force by area. What is force? The dimensionality of force. The dimensionality of force, just now I solved it. What is that? Mass into acceleration by area. Now what is mass? Dimensionality is m. For acceleration also dimensionality, that is L T power minus 2. And for area, what is the dimensionality of area? That is, for dimensionality of area is nothing but length into breadth. Nothing but what is the dimensionality of length? L. For what is the dimensionality of breadth? Length. Breadth also nothing but a length. Therefore, dimensionality of area is L square. That is L square. For volume, what is the dimensionality of volume? That is L cube. Length into length into length. That is nothing but L cube. Remember that. Therefore, what is the dimension of area? L square. Therefore, m L, here 1 is there. When it goes to numerator, it will become minus 2. 1 minus 2 is minus 1 T power minus 2. 1 by a square. Already told you a power minus 2. When I send this to the numerator, it will become a power minus 2. A power 2 into a power minus 4. What is the answer? A power 2 into a power minus 4 is nothing but base is same. Therefore, a into 2 minus 4, that is nothing but a power minus 2. If bases are same, I can add the powers. Therefore, same thing I used here. Therefore, L power minus 1 into T power minus 2. Okay. I think these are clear how to find the dimensionality. Now, one more thing what I told. If SI units are same, then the dimensional formula must be same. Please remember this. If the SI units are same, then the dimensional formula for must be same. That means if I take work done, the SI unit of work done is joule. If I take energy, the SI unit of energy is joule. If you take kinetic energy also one type of energy. Therefore, kinetic energy is also the SI unit is joule. If you take potential energy, the SI unit of potential energy is also joule. If you take heat, the SI unit of dimensional heat is also a joule. Heat is nothing but a energy, one type of energy. Now, if we take joule, that is nothing but the SI unit of all these functions, that is joule. For all these, the dimensionality will be same. What is the dimensionality of work done? Dimensionality of work done is force into displacement, or for force, mass into acceleration. What is the dimensionality of force? M L T power minus 2 into displacement. What is the dimension of displacement? Is nothing but L. For m L square T power minus 2. For energy also same dimensionality. That is m L square T power minus 2 is the dimensionality of work, energy, kinetic energy, potential energy, heat energy, and joule. If we take kinetic energy, what is the formula for kinetic energy? Half m v square. Now, what is the dimensionality of this? For mass, it is m. For velocity, what is velocity? Velocity is nothing but, what is the dimensionality of velocity? The dimensionality of velocity is nothing but displacement by time, that means L T power minus 1. Now it is square, therefore square. Therefore L square T power minus 2. Therefore what is the dimensionality? Dimensionality is dimensionality half into dimensionality m L square t power minus 2. That is nothing but m L square t power minus 2. Now the dimensionality of a 1 by 2 is nothing but 1. Now we will see here. Present, just for present, remember the dimensionality of a constant is 1. 1 by 2 is a constant, therefore dimensionality of 1 by 2 I took as 1. Dimensionality of a constant means dimensionality of 100 is 1. Dimensionality of pi, what is pi? Pi is nothing but 3.14. If I can take it as dimensionality as 1. Dimensionality is 1, value is not 1, dimensionality is 1. Now use the same thing here, therefore m L square t power minus 2. The same formula. If you take potential energy, what is the potential energy formula? M mass mgh. Where m is the mass, where h is the height, where g is the acceleration due to gravity. There is nothing but acceleration. Now what is dimensionality? For mass m, for height L, for g is nothing but acceleration due to gravity. What is the dimensionality? L t power minus 2. Therefore m, L into L is L square t power minus 2. Dimensionality is same. That means if the SI units of the functions are same, then the dimensional formula also will be same. Please remember this. Okay, I think this is clear. Now we will solve little bit deeper problems, important problems. Okay, just now we have seen the dimensionality of a constant is 1. That means the dimensionality of a constant is 1. Now what are the constants? Any value. Dimensionality of 1 by 2 is 1. Dimensionality of pi is a constant. It is nothing but 3.14. That is a constant. Therefore dimensionality is 1. Dimensionality is 1. Now what is the dimensionality of 8 by pi? 8 by pi is nothing but a constant. That is nothing but dimensionality is 1. Now what is the dimensionality of log 10? Log x. Log 10 how much? 1. Log 20 how much? Some value. That means when I am finding the log value, there is no units. Just we are getting the output as a simple constant. 1. Now what is log 100? Log 100 is nothing but 2. Simply writing the constant values. There is no units for logs. Therefore the dimensionality of log is 1. Therefore log is a constant. We should assume it log function as a constant function. Okay. Now here x, log function can only take a constants. Log 100, log 200, so on. It can take only constants. That means the dimensionality of the x here is also 1. That means whole log function dimensionality is 1, and for x the dimensionality is also 1, because log x is higher. We should take as a constant values. Okay, now what are those? Not only this, there are few more. The dimensionality of angle is 1. What is angle? Degrees. Now see here. Angle is given by, this is the arc, and this is some angle theta, and this is the arc length. The radius of the arc is r. This is the arc length, that is s. That is a b. The length of AB is nothing but s. I am assuming it is. That is arc length. The angle theta is given by arc length by radius. That is, what is the arc length? Arc length, that means the dimensionality is length itself, L. For radius, what is radius? Radius is nothing but length itself. The dimensionality is L. Therefore, dimensionality of the angle is 1. There is no unit. And what is the SI unit of angle? That is radian. Radian is the SI unit. Okay. For angle, the SI unit is radian, and for the dimensional formula for angle is 1, because arc length by radius. Arc length is length, radius is length. Therefore, dimensionality formula for angle is 1. And for radian, what is the dimensionality for radian? The dimensionality for the formula for radian is nothing but 1. Now, one more thing. Dimensional formula for trigonometry functions. What are those? Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, secant theta, cosecant theta, cot theta. For everything, for every trigonometry function, the dimensionality is 1. Now why? Sin 90 degrees how much? 1. Sin 45 degrees how much? 1 by root 2. What are those? The output is a constant values. There is no units. Therefore, if there is no units, the dimensionality has to be 1. Therefore, the dimensional formula for a trigonometry function is 1. Now 90 degrees. Now see here. Sin of x is equal to some 1 by 2. Sin of x is equal to 1 by 2. Sin function itself, whole sin function itself, having a dimensionality 1. Now what is x? X is nothing but, what is x? X is nothing but angle. For dimensionality formula for angle is 1. Therefore dimensional formula for x is also 1. Please remember this. Dimensionality of a constant is always equal to 1. Dimensionality formula for the function with no units is 1. Therefore dimensionality formula for half pi 8 by pi log x. Log x, the final value will get as a constant. There is no units for log. For dimensionality is 1. For trigonometry functions, final values will get as a constant. There is no units. Therefore dimensionality is 1. For angle, arc length by radius. Arc length is length and radius is length. Therefore dimensionality is 1. For all these functions, the dimensionality is 1. Please remember this. That means the dimensionality of a constant is 1. Okay, now we'll see the formula. Find the dimensional formula for specific heat capacity. Specific heat capacity. Now in calorimetry in your 8th class we studied what is this? Q is equal to ms delta T. What is Q? Q is nothing but a heat energy. What is mass? Mass, m is nothing but mass, where S is the specific heat capacity, where delta T is nothing but the difference in temperature. That is nothing but T2 minus T1. Difference in the temperature, where T2, T1 are temperatures. Now, for heat is nothing but energy. Heat is nothing but a type of energy. Therefore, dimensional formula for energy, heat is nothing but energy. Dimensional formula for work done, that is m L square T power minus 2. How we got it? Just see the previous problem. Now, dimensional formula for mass is m. Dimensional formula for T2 minus T1 is how much? Dimensional formula for temperature is K, or you can take it as theta. I am taking it as theta. Why theta? Sir, there is T2 minus T1. Theta minus theta you should get as 0. It's not possible like that. Now see here. L2 minus L1. What is the dimensionality for L2 minus L1? L2 is 20 centimeters, assume. And L1 is how many centimeters? Assume 10 centimeters. Now what is the final answer? 10 centimeters. Therefore, what is the dimensionality? It is nothing but L. See L2 minus L1, but finally the dimensionality we are getting as only L. L2 plus L1, dimensionality will get as L. 2 into length. 2 into length. Dimensionality of a constant is 1. L. Dimension of length is L. Therefore, dimensionality is L. Always remember, when I am subtracting or when I am adding the two same quantities, dimensionality will be same. Therefore, T2 minus T1. What is this? 10 degrees minus 5 degrees. What is the answer? You will get as 5 degrees. That means T2 minus T1 is nothing but dimensionality of temperature, that is theta. Therefore, dimensionality I can take it as theta. Understood? Why I took the dimensionality of T2 minus T1 as theta? Okay. Now next one. Now what is this? Q is equal to ms delta T, where S is equal to Q by m delta T. If you don't worry, if you don't know the formula, you can study in calorimetry chapter. In the question itself they will give, don't worry. Now what is this dimensionality formula for S is nothing but dimensionality formula for Q by M delta T. If I find the dimensional formula for, then I can find the dimensional formula for specific heat capacity. Therefore, what is the dimensional formula for S? S is nothing but Q by M delta T. What is the dimensional formula of Q? Heat. Heat energy is nothing but what is the dimensional formula? M L square T power minus 2 by, for mass, M, and for temperature, the difference in the temperature, that is nothing but theta. Therefore, find it. Mass cancelled off. L square T power minus 2, when it goes, theta goes up, it will become theta power minus 1. This is the dimensional formula for specific heat capacity. Okay, now we'll see one more formula. Dimensional formula for moment of inertia. Moment of inertia. This one will study in rotatory mechanics. Moment of inertia I is given by formula m r square. Mass into distance square. Mass into distance square. Therefore, the dimensional formula for moment of inertia I is nothing but dimensional formula for m r square. What is the dimensional formula for mass? M. What is the dimensional formula for r distance square? Distance is nothing but length. Therefore, L square. Therefore, the dimensional formula for moment of inertia is m L square. Okay. They told to find the dimensionality of current. Second one, charge, voltage, it is nothing but potential, and lastly about resistance. Okay, now how to find the dimensional formula for this? We'll see about for current. What's the dimensional formula for current? Current itself is a fundamental quantity. What's the dimensionality? It is nothing but A. Okay, second one, what is the charge? Q. The dimensional formula for charge is how much? Current I is equal to charge by time. Therefore, charge is equal to current into time. Therefore, I into T. What is I? I is nothing but current. Dimensional formula for current is A. And T is nothing but time. Dimensional formula for time is capital T. Therefore, A into T is the dimensional formula for charge. Now, third one, for voltage. What is the formula I can use for voltage? V. V is equal to I R. V is equal to IR. But to find the by using this formula, if I want to find voltage, I should know the dimensional formula for R. That means resistance. I don't know the dimensional formula for resistance. Now what I can do? I can't use that formula. I have to use the formulas in which I know the units of the respective terms. Here I don't know the dimensional formula for resistance. Then I can't find the voltage by using this formula. I have to use some more formula. There is one more formula for voltage, that is work done by charge. You will see this one in electrostatic chapter 12th. Work done by charge is nothing but the voltage, that is nothing but the potential. Therefore, what is work done dimensionality? M L square T power minus 2. For charge, what is the dimensionality? A T. Therefore, what is the dimensionality? M T is L square. When T goes up to the numerator, it will become minus. Therefore, T power minus 2 minus 1 is T power minus 3 into ammeter. That is ampere. That is dimensional formula for current. That is A power minus 1. Okay, well and good. Now lastly we can find the dimensional formula for resistance. For resistance, what is the formula I can use? That way I can use the formula V by I. Because I know the dimensional formula for V, I know the dimensional formula for current, therefore I can use this formula. Therefore, voltage by current. What is the dimensional formula of voltage? Just now I found it, that is M L square T power minus 3 A power minus 1. For current, what is the dimensional formula? That is A. Therefore, what is the dimensional formula for resistance? That is M L square T power minus 3 A power minus 2. This is the dimensional formula for resistance. Now, what is the dimensional formula for ohm? What is ohm? What is ohm? Ohm is nothing but the SI unit of resistance. units and their quantities will have same dimensionality formula. Therefore, the sign, that is the dimensional formula for ohm, is nothing but m L square T power minus 3 A power minus 2. These are the dimensional formula for few quantities. Okay, now we will find one more dimensional formula for the last formula, that is V is equal to pi by 8 P r power 4 by eta into length. Now see this formula, where V is the volume per unit time, where V is the volume per unit time, where P is the pressure, where R is the radius of pipe, where L is the length of the pipe, where eta is the some constant. Where eta is some constant. Now they told to find the dimensional formula for this eta. Now we will find it. Now what's the eta? Eta is equal to how much? Pi P r power 4 by 8 into V into L. If I find the dimensional formula for this function, then I can find the dimensional formula for eta. Okay, now what is the dimensional formula for pi by 8? The dimensional formula for pi by 8 is nothing but a constant, therefore 1. What is the dimensional formula for P? P is nothing but pressure. For pressure, what is the dimensional formula? Force by area. What is force? Dimensional formula is m L T power minus 2 by area is L square. For the dimensional formula for pressure is m L power minus 1 T power minus 2. Okay, now what's the dimensional formula for R? Where R is the radius, therefore dimensional formula for R power 4 is L power 4. Now what's the dimensional formula for length? L. L is nothing but length of the pipe. There is nothing but dimensional formula is L. For volume, V, volume per unit time. V is nothing but volume per unit time. That means volume by time. That is nothing but volume. L cube by time is T. Therefore L cube T power minus 1 is a dimensional formula. Now you use all these dimensional formulas to find the eta, where eta is a constant. Now what is eta? Pi by 8, 1. Dimensionality is 1. P power P is nothing but m L power minus 1 T power minus 2 R power 4 L power 4 by V. V is nothing but volume by time, that is nothing but L cube T power minus 1, and L, what is length? Nothing but dimensionality is L. Now find the answer. How much? L into L cube is nothing but L power 4. L power 4, L power 4 cancelled off. Now m L power minus 1. When this T power minus 1 goes to the numerator, it will become T power plus 1. For T power minus 2 plus 1 is T power minus 1. Therefore the dimensional formula for eta is a constant, is nothing but m L power minus 1 T power minus 1. This is the dimensional formula. Okay, now we will find the dimensional formula for one more last formula. Gravitational constant. Gravitational constant, that is nothing but G. They told to find the dimensional formula for this gravitational constant G. Now I can find this G by using the formula F is equal to G m square by r square, where F is the force between two masses m and m. There are two masses and the force between two masses is nothing but F force, where r is the distance between the two masses, that is r. Now they told to find the dimensional formula for G. Therefore F is equal to G m square by r square. Therefore G is nothing but F r square by m square. Therefore dimensional formula for G. If I want to find the dimensional formula for G, if I find the dimensional formula for F r square by m square, I will get the same value. Dimensional formula for G or dimensional formula for this are both the same. Therefore what is the dimensional formula for F? ml t power minus 2. For r is nothing but radius, that is nothing but length. Therefore r square, the dimension formula for r square is L square. For dimension formula for m square is, m is nothing but mass, that is nothing but m square. Therefore use it. For dimension formula for g is nothing but ml t power minus 2. For r square, that is L square by m square. M is nothing but capital M square. Therefore what you will get? M by m square, that is nothing but m power minus 1. L into L square, that is L cube t power minus. Therefore the dimensional formula for gravitational constant g is nothing but m power minus 1 L cube t power minus 2. These are the few questions in dimensionality. I think by this you understood how to find the dimensional formula for the values. Okay, we completed the problems in dimensionality. In next video we will see the application of dimensionality. And if you guys are having any doubt, it may be any chapter, please ask me in my mail or in my WhatsApp. Within 24 hours you will get a clarification. Thank you.